Welcome everyone! In this tutorial we'll see how to book a hotel on Traveldoo. Here we are on the Traveldoo homepage. To book a hotel, click on the Hotels symbol. Start by specifying the destination. You can indicate a town or city, an address, or depending on your company's configuration, you may be able to add a company address. Specify the dates of your stay by indicating the day of arrival and the day of your departure. If requested, specify a reason for travel. You can refine your search by simply entering the name of the hotel in the search options. Then click on the search button. Depending on the travel policy of your company, several hotels and different rates will be offered to you. Note that the daily rate limit defined by your company's travel policy is indicated at the top of the page and may vary depending on the destination chosen. The hotels are in general displayed in order of priority according to your company's hotel program. They can also be sorted by how far they are from your destination or by price. The location of the hotel is shown by its address, which appears in the description, its geolocation, which allows it to be quickly identified on the map, as well as its distance from the reference point. In the Details window, you'll find general information about the hotel, whether that's its facilities, the services offered, the means of payment accepted locally, taxes and various costs, and directions to get there. The map option also allows you to find the location and enlarge or reduce the map size. By default, only the cheapest available rate is shown first. The site indicates by different colour codes whether it's a compliant rate or not, or a negotiated rate. Other information, such as whether the hotel is classed by your company as a preferred hotel, its ranking, or the cleanliness measures in place, are indicated using pictograms displayed at the top right of the hotel display. Be sure to choose the type of room that meets your expectations and be aware of the cancellation policy set by the hotel management for each rate. These two elements, the type of the room and the cancellation policy, will guide you in your choice. If the first rate offered doesn't meet your expectations, you can click on Display All to view or select another. Click on Select and Reserve, or on Add to My Selection to add other services. You're now on the last page of the reservation process. On the left is a summary of your order. Possible for you to add certain personal details if they've not already been entered in the traveller profile. It's for example possible to add a loyalty program. For hotel reservations, the section Payment and Guarantee information is important. It indicates the methods established within your company to guarantee and pay for the reservation with the hotel. Depending on the settings of your system, you may have to enter other analytical information or a reason for travel. The last step is to click on Complete this reservation to finalize the booking. You'll then receive an email containing the reservation number to present to the hotel. Thanks for watching and see you soon on Traveldoo.